back in the late 80s, if you will, manufacturing wasn't fantastic in North America or in Western Europe. There was lots of closing of buildings and moving stuff to Mexico and or Far East, et cetera. And it was a painful time. And it was something that, as a relatively young finance professional at the time who was being pushed on those items, it was something that it was hard to do. It was something you lost sleep over because it did impact an awful lot of people. But at the same time, I think I realized and recognized that what I was being asked to do and having to do was going to happen with or without me. And that the best thing I could do would be to listen and learn and understand about how to do this and go through these activities in the most humane way, in the most empathetic way that we possibly could. There's the vast majority of the things we do every day are fun and happy and positive and growing. But part of the role is sometimes on the other side of the coin.